Again, so this might be a challenge to actually get it done in 5 minutes, but we'll give it a try. And actually, you know what, probably will. So I've had a lot of questions I've seen on Facebook about how to change the logo on your emails that are sent out. So by default, it uses the site logo, which is here. It used to use favicon, which has recently been changed. Actually, I don't know how recent, but yeah, it's been changed. It's now using your site logo, which makes more sense. But some people's logos are wide and some people's logos are up and down. So you might want to play around with this a little bit here. So let's go into the emails, which is here. So click on emails and then click on template editor. I think you get access to this if you're on basic plan and above. I'm not sure if you get access to it on free plan, but I could be wrong and I could check on that if needed. But if you're on the free plan and you can't access it, then you'll know that that's the reason why. So if we click on this selected template and then click on email CSS. Now don't be afraid of making anything changes here. One thing you can always do is reset. So if you make some changes and things don't look right and you're a little bit afraid, you can click on reset. But we shouldn't need to do that, because what we'll do here, we'll do a Command F or Control F on your PC. Search for, and we want to search for image, but it's not that image, so we're going to click the little down arrow and search for the next image, which is in the header. And you can see that I've already done something here. I've actually commented out the word border radius 50%, and what that border radius 50% does is basically puts the image with a rounded left and right hand corners, all corners in fact, to come to 50%, and basically rounds off your image. Now, like my logo, you don't want that to happen, and I'll show you exactly how that works. If I go to any email, custom email, in fact, let me just go to one that actually has something, new enrollment, there we go. And then we'll click on preview. You'll see that the preview shows my my logo, which looks good. It might be a little bit blurred. I might have to just update that a little bit, but for now, you know, it looks good. It's not cut off. But if I go back and show you what happens if I edit the CSS back to the default, let's just do an image search for the first one. And if I take that back, go to the end of the line, and I just save that. And then if I refresh the page, you'll see that it's cut off the bottom. And the reason for that is because of it's basically putting a curve around the whole logo, which you don't want to do. So yeah, unless you're using a logo that fits nicely inside that little curve, and again, because I'm a white background on a white background of my logo, it looks perfectly nice. We don't want that to be there. We just do that, which is comment out. But you need the end comment out, so you do that at the end of the line. You can also delete the line if you need to. You can always reset, but save and then publish it. And then when it recompiles the CSS, you'll see that it makes a difference. There you go. We'll probably do another video on how to make them bigger if you need to. But for now, that's how to get rid of the little border radiuses at the side of your logo.